Chandrinos is a semi-mountainous village in southwest Messinia, located 13.5 kilometers from Pylos at an altitude of 309 meters. With around 600 permanent residents, it offers a steady rhythm shaped by agriculture, tradition, and community. The landscape is dominated by olive trees, part of Messinia's vast network of over 15 million. From Chandrinos, the views opened westward, toward Navarino Bay. The elevation offers clear sightlines across the valley, especially at sunset, when the light softens over the Ionian Sea. On July the 19th and 20th, 2025, Chandrinos hosted its annual summer panigiri. Residents and visitors gather for music, food, and dancing. Tables are set early and the celebration continues late into the night. Above the village stands the chapel of Prophetess Elias, built on a conical hill once used as a Venetian lookout. Today, it remains a local landmark and a popular spot for short hikes and panoramic views. Nearby, in the area of Kyssos, archaeologist Spyridon Marinatos excavated a burial mound in 1966. The pottery found there dates to the Middle and Late Helladic periods, suggesting a modest settlement with ties to the Mycenaean world. Chandrinos continues to live through its people, its land, and its seasonal rhythms. The village remains connected to its past through stories, festivals, and the enduring presence of the olive tree. Life in Chandrinos is steady, rooted, and richly human. A new resident here will find quiet and continuity. The pace follows the land: olive season, village feast, morning walks that trace the same paths as generations before. The air is clean, the views are wide, and the sense of place is strong. You know your neighbors by name, your food by source, and your days by the sound of bells and birds. 10 minutes to Pylos, 1,000 years in history, and a community that still gathers at the square when the music starts. This is life in Chandrinos, and for those who choose it, the welcome is lasting.